Date is May 7th. We are chasing in southern Minnesota north of Fairmont on a warm front. Thunderstorms starting to get going, a little elevated right now, bases are coming down. We have one storm right now to our north that we're really close to. Here's the base. And the other storm, which is the Big Kahuna, which is developing to our northwest. Hopefully they right turn. But there's a base forming on the back end of that storm right there. It's got a strong VIL over 50,000 foot top. Look at that.
I should see this tile. It's incredible. The roll right here.
That's a Vorticity roll. Should we stop? Oh my goodness.
I think if anything is going to happen, it's going to be there, and I don't really want to be right here, actually. Yeah.
You should stick your head out and see this, Kyle. If you can. It's going to be shielded by clouds now.
That was pretty cool.
Look at that, it's still there.
Yes. Just a little tail. Yeah. It was really cool. We were right underneath.